Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up iCloud for cloud storage and device synchronization, follow these step-by-step instructions to create and configure your iCloud account. Step 1. If you have an Apple device like iPhone, iPad, or Mac, iCloud setup is integrated with your Apple ID. Turn on your device and go through the initial setup if it is new. Step 2. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings and tap on your name at the top of the screen, or tap Sign in to your device if you are not already signed in. Step 3. If you do not have an Apple ID, tap Create New Apple ID and follow the prompts to set up a new account with your email address and password. Step 4. If you already have an Apple ID, enter your Apple ID email and password to sign in. This automatically activates iCloud for your device. Step 5. After signing in, tap on iCloud in the Settings menu to see all available iCloud services, including iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, and more. Step 6. Toggle on the iCloud services you want to use by switching them to the On position. This enables automatic backup and sync for those features. Step 7. On a Mac computer, click on the Apple menu, select System Settings or System Preferences, then click on Apple ID to sign in and enable iCloud. Step 8. Configure iCloud storage by checking how much free space you have. Apple provides 5 GB free storage with every account. Review what is being backed up and adjust settings as needed. Your iCloud is now set up and will automatically sync your photos, files, and data across all your Apple devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.